In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to style your text, and how to place it precisely where you want on your page. First, open your browser and go to card.co. From the home page, select Open Dashboard to access your sites. Once you're in the dashboard, choose the project you want to edit. This opens the builder where you'll make changes to your page. Inside the builder, look for the Add button. This is how you insert new elements onto your page. Click Add, then choose Text from the list of elements. Card will drop a new text block onto your canvas and open a panel on the left side of the screen where you'll do most of your editing. In that left side panel, you'll see a field where you can enter content. Type your text directly into that field. You can edit it in place, paste in copy you've prepared, or rewrite it until it says exactly what you need. Keep your message concise and scannable. Short sentences and natural line breaks often read better on a one-page site. Next, look for the paintbrush icon to open the Appearance tab. This is where you control how your text looks. Adjust alignment to left, center, or right depending on your layout. Tweak font size and weight for hierarchy, and choose colors that maintain strong contrast with your background for readability. If your text sits over an image or a busy section, consider slightly increasing line height to improve clarity. You can also fine-tune spacing so your headline, subheading, and body copy feel balanced. A quick tip: preview at a smaller width to ensure the text wraps cleanly on mobile screens. When you're happy with the styling, click Done to apply your changes. Your text block is now ready to be positioned. On the canvas, drag and drop the text element to place it exactly where you want. As you move it, pay attention to the alignment guides that appear. They help you center content and maintain consistent spacing with other elements. If your layout feels crowded, give the text a little breathing room so it's easy to read and visually appealing. Small adjustments make a big difference, especially on simple, single-page designs. That's it. You've added text, styled it, and positioned it like a pro in Card. Repeat the process for additional headings or paragraphs, and you'll have a clean, readable layout in no time.